Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 11. The instruction here says that we should choose the word that best completes each of the following sentence. And the sentence here says the runner was dashed at 15 seconds at the end of the race. The runner was dashed at 15 seconds at the end of the race. I want to talk of a runner. The runner here is the subject of the sentence. The subject of the sentence. So it means that it's a person. It's a human being. So the runner was dashed at 15 seconds. The option A, tipped. Option B, timed. Option C, belled. Option D, flagged. So we want to talk of tipped, as the word implies it's a verb. Although it's a verb, but it means to keep in. Then timed is also a verb which simply means time of arrival or when something happens. So timed connotes that. Then bird is an adjective, is an adjectival word. When you say I bed your phone, it means ring, which is synonymous to rank. Then flag is also an adjectival word which simply means having split. When something is splitted, we simply mean having split. So the correct verb that goes in with this expression is on option D. The runner was timed at 15 seconds at the end of the race. This what takes the runner to get to the end of the race, just 15 seconds. That is what the sentence is saying. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.